In this video I will show you how to pass the safety net check with the new method. This is for August 14, 2025. First thing, we have to check if our phone is passing a safety net check or not. So for that we have to download the app from the Play Store. We have to go to the Play Store and we search for the app called Safety Net Check. And this is the only legit app working, this one. And we download and install. Once it's done, we will open the app and we run it and see what happens. So right now we are failing. So we have to go back to our Magic Manager and see what's going on with it. So I open my Magic Manager. Sometime it could be renamed to different names. So that's our root manager. We open that, and now it is asking for the update for 29.0. If you're already on 29.0, you don't have to do this. But if you are on lower, then we have to update. So we click on update. We said okay. And it is installing the update. Saying update is complete, tap to open, and now it is 29.0. Once we update the app, now we have to update the framework. For that we have to click on Magic Update and always make sure use the direct install recommended option. Do not use any other. Do always, for the update, use direct install, and we just say okay, let's go direct install. It's gonna do what it's gonna do automatically, and once it's finished it will ask to restart the cell phone. So it's asking for restart. Let me pause my video and I will restart and come back. Okay, I restart my cell phone. Then let me go to my Magic Manager, see what's going on. So I have these two modules. They got nothing to do with passing the safety net check. This magical overlay is to give me a read and write permission on the system, and the system last host is for the Adway. And the Adway app, this one, to able to run this, I need to have those modules. So let me download the module for passing a safety net check. So there is a web page which have all of them line up, so I don't have to go and hunt for those modules. So I'm just gonna go to my browser, open my any browser to go to that web page. So I'm gonna click on it, and that's the web page address. It's called root 468.wordpress.com. I go to this website and then I go scroll down. Safety net check is saying for device on Android 13 plus install these modules. So we got 4 modules and 1 MMRL app. So we're gonna click on say download the second one, say download the third one, say download the fourth one, is download, and then the last one, the fifth one, says download. Now I go to my Magic Manager and then I go to the module and then install apps, and sometimes they are just line up for you automatically without you doing anything. But if they don't, you just go with these 3 dots on your top right corner, you click on it, and then you go say, it might say show hidden file. So you said okay, then you go to these horizontal line on your left corner on the top, and then you click on your whatever the cell phone you have, the internal, and then you go to the download, and there would be those 5 files you just downloaded. So there should be. So we're just gonna go module install. We just choose, it doesn't matter which lineup you choose. So we install the first one, we go module, the second one, we go to the third one, and then we go to the fourth one. It's saying installation failed. Okay, the reason it's failing because we don't have a GZIC enabled. So we go to the home, we go to the settings, make sure we have systemless host and this enabled. The enforce denial list should be disabled, but this is supposed to be enabled. Okay, once we enable it, we go to the module, click on install, install this one more time. It said okay, blah blah blah. Okay, so it's done. Now it's gonna ask me to reboot the system. So let me reboot the system and I'll come back. Restarted the phone. Let's go how the modules are looking. They are all there. You remember we download 5 files, we installed 4, so we have to install the last one, the APK file. So we go to the download folder, under download, and that's the release.apk. That's the file we have to install. Installing it. We say open, allow, and we are using MagicZig. Continue with MagicZig, and we run the root access. We go to the module, and this is the module we have to work with. Play integrated fix. We click on it. Okay, let me go back out, close everything, and open the MagicZig, not the MagicZig, the MMRL. Go to the module, and I think we have to restart because it's not enabling. Everything looks good. We make sure the JASIC is enabled. Let me restart. Restart my cell phone. Now we go back to see what's going on with MMRL. Now they are enabled, so we had to restart, and I'll go to this play integrated fix. Okay, when I click on it, it's asking me to download another app, and it's saying go to the Google Play Store and look for the WebUI. So okay, let's go to the Google Play Store, look for the WebUI and install it. Install. Once we install, we open it. Sometimes it does ask for another app, sometimes it doesn't. That's why I'm showing you the longer route. So continue with MagicZig. It's asked for the permission. We say yes, and here we go with the play integrated. That's the module we should be using it. Let me run the safety net check, see integrated check. Let me see if it's failing. Yeah, it is failing. Let's go to WUI. We click on it, and we make sure the spoof SDK version for the Play Store is enabled. Fetch PIF. We fashion it. It does what it does, and it says done. Okay, we just go out and we run the integrated check one more time. It should be passing. Yeah, it is. And let me show you how you hide the root for the app. So let's go. You go to the MagicZig and you go to the settings. And as I said, we have to have this GZIC enabled. Info denial list is disabled. We go config denial list, and we want to have, let's say, this particular app would not want us to know we have rooted device, so we just click on it, we enable. It could be any app, your banking app or your any their work app or anything. We just enable that, and under the deny list, since we have this module for Shamiko right here, it's working blacklist, that will hide the root for any access for app, the one we just choose under the settings, under the config deny list, and that's how you hide the root, and that's how you pass the safety net check. Everything is okay and everything is good to go. You can watch the video 2-3 times to understand what's going on. I made it so easy. I put all the links to the website so you can download. You don't have to go here and there. Thank you very much.